So here we will explain everything about the High Accuracy Autopilot and the Techadvision Black Pulse downscan depth meter. Let's go. I will talk about the High Accuracy Autopilot now, and it's important to know a few things before we start to explain all the options in the app. So first of all, I've downloaded England, France and the Netherlands, the offline maps already for you. And the second part is that I've put a subscription in the account for you as well. So do not change the email, it's very important. So let's go to the app. We open the Baitboat Technology app. And we see that the boat is connected. Once again, we can see it, that the boat is in the image. And if we swipe up this menu, we see connected with a green dot. It's important to know that when you move out of the screen where the boat is, you will get this bubble where you can press to go to the boat. Then, if we go to the menu, we swipe it up, and then we see settings, and here there are a lot of options. So appearance, you can change the boat out icon, the spots icon. For the English, it should go to the feet units, of course, and you can put on night mode or toggle satellite off or on. It's important to keep the satellite off. So how it is now, it's correct. Then we go back. We go to the app behavior. Here we can put in a lot of settings to make life easier in the app. So you can put hold to drag on, so then you can grab a spot and move it around. Keep screen on, put speech on, voice comments, you can set it up if you want to. And the other parts which are not too important. So we go back again. Then we have boat behavior. This is an important one. So here you can set up how the boat will react once it arrives to its spot. So this is an important part. So here we see spot radius. I will always keep this as low as possible. Then we have break duration. This should go, you should test it out, but this should be around 3 seconds, and then the break strength should be around 25%. This basically means that the boat, when it arrives to the spot, will slowly brake to get as accurate as possible. And then as the second option, you have when arriving at spot. We press it, and here you can say open hoppers and return to home. So if you are someone that likes that the hoppers open automatically and the boat comes back to home, this is the menu for you. You can also put up the time, like open hoppers 5 seconds or 8 seconds, how you prefer. Then we go back and we go back. Also, we have the depth map available. It's a subscription. It's also put in place for you, so you can right away go. You can put on enable mapping and show depth map. When you do this and you start to use the boat in the lake, you will automatically make a depth map. The more you go around, the more accurate this map will be. Once you have a map that you are happy with, you should put off the enable mapping, so then it stops producing new measurements. And you can change colors, whatever, how you are interested with it. So this is how you want to use it. We go back again, and here we have offline maps. To go to the offline maps, you should connect to the Wi-Fi at home, to internet, and then you can go to region maps, and here you will get the menu. You choose Europe, and you could download, for example, if you go to Czechia, you can download Czechia. So as said, I've already downloaded the UK, France, Belgium and the Netherlands for you, so you don't have to do this. So this is the simple explanatory about all the options. How do you use it in the real world? So we are at the lake and we start to go around and we see interesting spots. Then you press the plus button and you say boat location, and you press boat location. So now under the boat, the location will be made. So especially the first session, you will make multiple spots, and this will be saved on the remote controller. Now, if you want to go to spot 2, for example, you can say activate or go now. And if you swipe to the right, you can rename, move, change or delete it. So now we want to go to spot 2. We activate it and we can say home, or auto.
Manual.
So it's very easy to use. It's very important to know that the high accuracy autopilot needs some time to lock in. So it can be anything between 5 to 15 minutes before the autopilot is fully accurate. If the autopilot is not locked yet properly to the satellites, you will see that the autopilot is not working good because the boat will turn around, will search, it's not sure yet. So it's not wrong, this means that the connection is not yet established. I will stop now the explanatory because it's also important you will start to use it and see how easy the app is to use.